how to order from the 1688 app. So here's what you want to do. Open up the app itself and sign into your account here. So if you click on me, you can use Alipay to sign in. You can use Taobao and mobile phone number. So that's how you can sign in. All right, so once you have created an account and signed in, choose the item which you want to purchase. So I'm just going to search for wallet here. Okay, so search for wallet and see what pops up. Let's say that I want to purchase this one. Click on the item itself, and at the bottom you will see buy now. So click on buy now. You can also add it to your cart by clicking on this button, but we're going to click on buy now. Choose the amount here. So I'm just going to do one of this and click on the orange button. Okay, so it's going to take us to this page. Close this, and you can use Alipay to pay for this. So here you can click on Alipay and set up your payment method. So I'm going to do Alipay. If you have set up Alipay previously, you can use it to purchase your item. Click on here to toggle this if you want protection, and I'm just going to untoggle it actually. Before you can make your purchase, you will need to put your address. So here, click here at the top. Oops. So click here at the top, and then you can use a new receiving address or use a temporary address. Here you will need to fill out all of your information. And after you have filled out your information, this button here, pay now, at the bottom is gonna become clickable. Click on it, go through the prompts, pay for your order using your card or Alipay, and that's how you order from 1688. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.